Díobh cardja is Misha Brónagh agus Fuiseoige and Ciorcal fuála. This week we're going to be making some outdoor bunting. In your packs you'll have 2 different colours of oilcloth. And what you do is take the first one, and it's just like when we did the St Patrick's Day bunting. You measure over 22 centimetres. Do again. Turn it over. And we'll do 11. And then 22. And all you're doing then is just drawing the triangle. And cut the bunting out, and you'll have triangles like these. So you'll also have some bending in your pack, and all you do is in the centre of the bending you place the oilcloth. You can pin this down and then you stitch along to keep it in place. And if you just make sure when you are stitching it that you're getting the back as well. And that's how you do your outdoor bunting.